That same month, another 3 of these magnificent machines, which dominated the haulage of the best trains on the West Coast Main Line for many years, pass Oxley North Junction on their way to meet their fate. It's a bright Saturday morning in February 1965. A pannier tank brings its Donington to Oxley sidings goods out of the loop at Cosford. The pannier is already shorn of its cabside number plate and its brass safety valve cover. Black 5 44841 hurries a special freight consisting of banana vans towards Wolverhampton. Sister Loco 45274 hauls a down-fitted freight in the Shrewsbury direction. BR Standard Class 4 260 76031 scurries towards Wolverhampton, light engine. Roger Shenton had come to Cosford to record the procession of specials, scheduled that day to bring supporters of Shrewsbury Town Football Club to London, where their club was playing Millwall in the 4th round of the FA Cup. The first of these, consisting of a rake of 13 coaches, is double-headed by a pair of black 5s. The next train, also consisting of a 13-coach set, produces a standard Class 4 mogul running tender first, piloting another black 5. The final special was hauled by a Type 4 diesel. For the record, Shrewsbury Town beat Millwall 2-1, but lost in the next round to Leeds United. The Great Western had its own station at Wolverhampton, on what had been the railway's through route from Paddington to Birkenhead. Our reminders of this now closed station recall occasions on which it was visited by special trains, hauled by now preserved Great Western locomotives. One of the most famous of these was the 440 City of Truro, reputedly the first British steam locomotive ever to reach 100 miles per hour. It is seen here heading north out of Wolverhampton low level. This locomotive was restored to running order in the late 1950s by British Railways. In 1965, 2 privately preserved Great Western tanks hauled a special from the station. These were 262 number 4555 and 042 number 1450. The GWR line from Wolverhampton to Birmingham lost its through trains to London when the London Midland route was electrified. Later, the section from Birmingham Snow Hill Station to Wolverhampton Low Level was closed entirely, though plans exist for a light rail system, which will use much of the former track bed. The 2 locomotives steam off in the direction of Birmingham. We conclude this programme with some final memories of the steam-hauled goods train. 8F number 48250 passes Norton Junction with a long coal train bound for Walsall in June 1957. Note the range and variety of the four-wheel wagons. Black 5, number 45015, moves away from a signal check at Ford Houses in March 1961. The movement of coal had been at the heart of the railway's freight business. Today, much of the heavy industry in the Midlands which depended on coal has been closed down, as have most of the coal mines. Other traffic flows have been lost to the overcrowded roads. Even the railways cannot be bothered to use the railway. It is not that uncommon these days to see a railway vehicle on the way to the works for repair on the back of a lorry. There can be no denying that the railways of the Midlands have changed radically since these films were taken. Whether this change has been for better or worse is for you to decide.